Welcome to a journey through the intriguing world of artificial intelligence. Often seen as a futuristic concept, AI actually has deep roots in our history. Did you know that the foundations of AI were laid over half a century ago? From Alan Turing's early concepts of computational machines to the development of the first neural networks, AI has been evolving right alongside modern technology. But if AI has been around since the mid-20th century, why didn't it gain the popularity it has today until more recently? This was largely due to technological limitations. Early computers lacked the processing power and data storage needed for advanced AI. It wasn't until the development of more powerful CPUs and GPUs, along with the advent of big data and the internet, that AI could truly evolve. These advancements, combined with reduced computing costs, have made AI more accessible and powerful, leading to the groundbreaking innovations we see today. Think about this. Can you identify an everyday technology that has been influenced by AI, perhaps without even realizing it? This journey will reveal how AI has been an integral part of technological advancements, shaping the world as we know it today. Imagine the excitement when the first AI program played checkers or solved algebra problems. These early achievements, though simple by today's standards, were monumental in demonstrating the potential of machine intelligence. But what is exactly this intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the capability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Or in other words, it is about enabling machines to do things that would normally need human brainpower. So at its core, AI involves creating algorithms that enable machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, learning from data, recognizing patterns, making decisions and solving complex problems. And what is not artificial intelligence? One clear example is the traditional computing, which follows strict rules and procedures. Machine intelligence involves adaptation, improvement, and potentially to operate autonomously, mimicking aspects of human cognitive function. Fast forward to today, and AI is interwoven into our everyday life. For instance, when you use a streaming service, AI algorithms analyze your viewing habits to recommend shows you might like. Similarly, the voice assistant on your phone uses AI to understand and respond to your questions or commands. In both cases, AI is processing vast amounts of data to personalize and enhance your experience. This integration of AI into daily activities, often unnoticed, showcases how it has become a seamless and essential part of our lives. AI's impact is far-reaching. In healthcare, for example, AI algorithms help diagnose diseases with accuracy rivaling that of expert doctors. In finance, AI systems detect fraudulent activities, protecting billions of dollars. In education, it personalizes learning by adapting content to each student's pace and style. In agriculture, AI optimizes crop yields through precise weather and soil analysis. In transportation, AI improves safety and efficiency with smart traffic management and autonomous vehicles. In retail, AI enhances customer experiences with personalized recommendations and efficient inventory management. Each of these examples underscores how AI is not just a technological marvel, but a transformative force across diverse aspects of our lives. Today, AI is at a pivotal point. Technologies like deep learning allow machines to process and understand vast amounts of data, leading to innovations previously unimaginable. What does the future hold for AI? The possibilities are endless. From enhancing human capabilities to solving the world's most pressing issues, AI's potential is boundless. As we conclude, reflect on AI's journey from a theoretical concept to a transformative force. We invite you to join the conversation. How do you see AI shaping our future? Thank you for exploring the fascinating evolution of AI with us. In our next video, we'll dive into understanding the difference: AI, machine learning, deep learning. This will be a journey to clarify how these interrelated fields differ and complement each other. We'll explore the broad umbrella of AI, under which lies the more focused discipline of machine learning, and then delve into the even more specialized realm of deep learning. Each of these areas has its unique role and significance in the development of intelligent systems, and understanding these distinctions is key to comprehending the full landscape of AI.